Now I'm going to show you how to manipulate your Moodle through the GUI. So first we log into the server itself. So I'm already logged in as admin. So you'll see here I've already made a lot of changes to the front page already. So basically what you can do is turn editing on and off. So this will allow you to edit the front page. So we can see here this eye. If I was to click this eye closed, another user, so say as a student who's not an administrator, would not be able to see this. But if I left it open, they would be able to see it. So how I set this up was I went to the front page and front page settings. So this is known as a label. So to set the label, you have to have the include a topic section on a yes to have this label. Also in the front page settings you can set up the name of the actual Moodle site and also the short name. You can also have a quick description here, and you can see there's many other features such as categories and course pages. So now if we just go back to the main page again, so we click on Moodle. So now we can see, if I just go to the edit on this settings, we can see that there is just the uploaded pictures, and what I've done is I linked each of them to the specific website that they have. So and then in text you have welcome. So this is pretty straightforward, and you can save and return to course. So you just can go to Moodle, and this provides you with a nice GUI just to when you get onto your website. Also another thing is to set up is the RSS feed. So to set up the RSS feed, you have to go to server and RSS, and here you can see you have to enable the RSS feeds. Once you've done this, you can go back to your main page and you can add this block here on the front page. You can add and edit feeds here. So what I did was I edited the feed by adding the URL here and validating the feed. And it's fairly straightforward as well, but it's a handy feature, and if you have any RSS feeds that you're really interested in, it can be very handy. Here we have a calendar, and you can set up events, and you can email events as they happen. As Moodle goes, it's an educational website, so it's a course, allows you to host courses. So I've set up one here already, router security. It's very easy to set up a course, just by clicking a few buttons. So you can hear you've all the settings on the side. There's a number of options you can make: grades, groups, backups, restore. Very simple. So one of the first things I did was to embed a YouTube video. It was very easy to do. Just simply embed the link.
Welcome to the named access list lab.
Within Moodle itself. So then we go back to the RS. You also set up a chat room, so if there's anyone actually a part of this course, here they can chat to each other if they're online and ask questions. It's also handy for lecturers to talk to their students for distance learning. This is a handy tool. Just go back to the main module. You can set up wikis, so here anyone can access this wiki and they can edit it and see what they can do. So router setup, there are many ways of setting router. So user can edit this thing, add links, there's a history, who has access to it, and so forth. So this is very handy for online learning as Web 2.0 application. There's also many different security options with Moodle. There's site policies, so we'll just click on site policies. You can protect usernames by making sure they're the default. This is default. So basically they have to produce a valid name, not a guessed name. Here we can see it's not open to Google. You can maximum upload file, enable messaging, enable trust contact, full name format, site policies, blog visibility. So there's many different password strength and policy. So you can see there's many different security levels within the actual Moodle server. So if we go to HTTP security, we can set it so HTTPS for logins, secure cookies only, and only HTTP cookies, which is also another security feature. So if you go to module security, we can see you can restrict courses, we can restrict the add-ins and the plugins, and this is also an added help to protect from any viruses. So you can also set up notifications. This allows you to display login failures and email them to the administrator. And we also have the antivirus tab. Here you can install an antivirus tab application which you can scan any uploaded file. Also we can see the appearance, you can set themes, calendar, HTML code, Moodle docs, my Moodle course managers, Ajax and JavaScript, all which are supported, which is a vast array of utilities that can be used on Moodle. Grades, you can set up grades, scales and outcomes. Courses, as we said earlier, add and edit courses. Now I'm going to show you how to manipulate the module courses within Moodle. So I've already set one up, but just to go backtrack, just looking at the settings of how it went about setting this up, it's very straightforward. So you fill out your categories here. You have the category, full name, short name, you have a summary, so then you have your format with the dates and the times, the number of slides, the number of students, the grade books, upload speed, upload limits, what plugins are allowed. You can see here what groups have access, the availability of the course and what language, and the roles which each you can be assigned to within this course or module. So if I just go back to the module itself, so I think if you just see who's participant as administrator, you can go into participants, and here you give your participants who are they and so forth. So we can see that John was a test user I set up just to test it. Okay, so now you can set up groups. You can see here from groups that you can create a group and add members to the group and so forth. And this is good for creating security. Also the wikis and the forums, as I spoke earlier of. You can create backups of this module. You can also create reports and have files, and a profile is the profile is your own admin profile. So here we can see I've been uploaded a picture and an email and so forth. So these are all tools that can be used within Moodle. There's a number of resources you can add. You can see here compose a web page, links to other pages, an activity. So there's lots of activities, database, choice, chat, glossaries, lessons, quizzes, surveys and wikis. There's many things you can do. It's the same here, just below. So here on the right you can see upcoming events. You can set up upcoming events, recent activities, so you can see what users are logged in, what's happening, added wiki, what are the latest updates. You can set these so the student or user can see them. It's also by using the eye. You can close these so only yourself can see them. So we can see that Moodle allows you to really set up a module which can be monitored from online, from anywhere, and be tweaked and used by other people.